I'm Wendy Moore from the Interiors Edit, and I am standing in my brand new backyard. I'm revealing how I created a really hard-working outdoor space, great for entertaining and families, and really well connected to the interiors. I wanted to do it on a tight budget, but I wanted to work really hard and make this feel like an extra living space. This was all about creating flow from inside to outside. The heroes of the design are the windows and doors. The cafe style window opening straight out is great for entertaining. And the big bifold doors connect the interior and exterior into one large living space. Every choice here was about affordability and durability. It needed to be easy, and outdoor living is really part of the great Australian lifestyle. I love how this zone works. It's great for family entertaining, and it's also really nice for a quiet coffee just sitting in the sun outside. The success of this space is all about creating flow to the kitchen and living space. This house is ready for its future family, and I couldn't be happier with the result. If you want to see more of my reno, I'll be sharing all the details about everything I've used, the flooring, the colours, the window furnishing, the cabinetry. So just follow along and you'll get everything you need.